The Prophet ﷺ said that when a person does wudu and فَأَتَمَّ وُضُوءَهُ, perfects it, then begins salah and فَأَتَمَّ صَلَاتَهُ, perfects his salah, then he will come out of his prayer free of sin as he came out of his mother's womb. Subhanallah. Very often we become so focused on getting things done that we forget to do them well. In Juz 29 of the Quran, in Surah Al-Mulk, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that He created death and life لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا, to test you all to see who among you is best in terms of action. Not to see who does the most, but that who does the best. So we're not in a competition over here to see who acquires the most wealth or the most friends or family or fame or titles. It's not about who lives the longest or healthiest. None of this matters. He created us to test us to see who is best in terms of action. So whatever that you do, make it count. Do it for Allah and do it in the way that is pleasing to Him.